Hi everyone, it's Era from gmailfiend. First of all, thanks for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below or check our channel for more videos like this. Okay, so for today's video, I'll be showing you how to filter mass emails. So if you're ever wondering how you can select all the emails, like for example, I will start this emails and then start from the bottom, like for example, and I want to see all the start email. So I can either go here in the start section, or if I don't want to be outside my inbox, what I'll do to filter mass emails is just click this drop down box. So as you can see, it has a lot of filters. Here we have all emails, which is basically the general emails or basic emails, all the emails that you have. Here we have the none. Here we have the read emails. If you click that, it will select all the read emails that you have. You can also select the unread emails that you have, where you can filter them all and then do what you want, like for example, delete them, mark them as read, or mark them as unread. You can also start or check the starred email and also check the unstarred email, like this one. So basically that's it on how you can select mass emails on Google Mail. We hope you liked this video and learned something. If you like this video, please leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you on our next video. Bye!